Hello to awesome people out there. I'm Chris and I'm back on my channel after so long time. I had to take a break due to my MCET examination and few other factors that I couldn't tell. So thank you for missing me, everyone. I've been in touch with you all by conducting all the live sessions on Instagram and my podcast. I would like to thank you each and everyone out there for making my live sessions a big hit and my first ever podcast a big hit. Thank you for your support. Keep supporting me. And everyone are asking me when is my second podcast. So it will be launched shortly. So I have a little problem with this podcast Spotify host. So I'll sort it out soon and upload my second episode of my podcast. I would like to thank Deepthi, Anushka, Samida, and Madhu for coming to my live sessions. You guys took out your time from your schedules and spent your valuable time with me on my Instagram live talking about books, booktubing, YouTube, bookstagramming, and many more interesting things. And I would like to thank Samida especially for coping up with my internet issues. uh, our live didn't turn out the way we wanted, but it was still fun. I had very good time talking to Samida. Thank you, Samida, for coping me up, for bearing my internet issues. I hope you all are watching this video now. And also, I would like to thank Govind for being in my first ever podcast. It was really fun interviewing him. He's such a jovial person. We became close friends within a short period of time. If you have missed any of my live sessions or my podcast, I'll give you the links in the description. You can go and check them out. My Instagram live sessions are in my IGTV video, and my podcast is available on Spotify and YouTube too. So go and check out. So if you're new to this channel and you're watching my video for the first time, do watch the full video, and if you like it, consider subscribing to my channel. That will help in growing my channel. So enough of introduction now. So I'm here today to review this beautiful book that I've read named Aristotle and Dante Discover the Secrets of the Universe by Benjamin Alire Sanz. I don't know whether I'm pronouncing the author's name correctly or not. Forgive me if it is wrong. So yeah, this is how I pronounce his name. So I picked this book randomly just because Sneha Banerjee from Book Junction had suggested this, and also I've talked about this book previously in my book haul if you remember. So the other day I was in a bookstore randomly picking up a book, and when I saw this book, I remembered Sneha talking about this book in one of her videos, and I picked this up, and it turned out to be very beautiful experience, and I loved reading this book, and so here I am reviewing this now. Aristotle and Dante Discover the Secrets of the Universe is a coming-of-age young adult LGBTQ fiction by Benjamin Alire Sanz, published by Simon & Schuster in 2012. The characters in this book is set in El Paso in late 1987. As you can see from the book cover, this book has won 4 awards, and I'll read it out. Michael Prince Award for Excellent Young Adult Literature, Stonewall Book Award, Pura Belpré Award, Lambda Literary Award winner. I must say this book deserves all the awards. As you can see from the title, the main characters in this book are Aristotle and Dante. Aristotle, who is mostly known as Ari, is a at most introvert guy who doesn't love to socialize himself, who doesn't want to be around people, and he has very pessimistic perspective on life, and he suffers with self-doubt. Whereas on the other hand, Dante is total contrary to Ari. He is very outgoing person and has very optimistic perspective on life, and he loves to socialize himself, and he loves to make friendship with everyone, and he loves to have friends. And on the random day they both meet up in a swimming pool and become friends. Dante is very much serious about his friendship with Ari, whereas Ari doesn't have any particular opinion on his friendship, and he always just goes with the flow. The story of the novel is narrated by the perspective of Ari. Ari is so close to his mother, and He's not that close to his father. His father was been to war when Harry was a kid, and after coming from the war, he changed so much. He doesn't talk much with Harry from his childhood, and Harry always wants to be close with his father. And also, Harry wants to talk about his elder brother who is in prison. He went to prison when Harry was a child, and he always wants to talk about his elder brother with his parents, but his parents never want to talk about his elder brother as he was in prison. And I don't find any photographs of his elder brother in home, and he always thinks about his elder brother, and he always remembers the little moments he shared with his elder brother. He doesn't remember much, but as he was a child, and he remembers little things, little memories he had shared with his elder brother. So this is the whole scenario in Harry's life and in his home. Harry regularly visits Dante's house and he becomes very close to Dante's parents, and Dante also comes to Harry's home regularly and makes himself close to their parents, and their parents also become their best friends, and it is beautifully shown how their parents come along with the story, and while reading it you'll just fall in love with the bond. Here I'm not talking much about the plot just because it will be nice if you don't know the much about the plot and then read it, then that will be the beautiful experience than knowing much plot and then reading it. Talking about the writing style of Benjamin Alirezans, it is very simple and beautiful at a time, and it is irreplaceable. The best part about his writing style is it keeps you hooked with the story, which is amazing. He had beautifully shown the bond between a son and a father, a son and a mother, and the bond between Harry and Dante, which is beautiful, and the great bond they share. He had done excellent job, I must say, and I want his characters to come into the real life. That amazing it is. While reading, you just merge into it and you just forget about the world around yourself. That amazing it is. So Benjamin's writing style is the factor to explain why one must read this book. And if you want to read a book and attach emotionally to it and be in that swing, this book is for you. If you read this book, your perspective towards LGBT community will definitely change, because it was beautifully shown the love between Harry and Dante. Haven't felt odd by reading the love story between two boys. That beautifully he had written, and you just love the way they are, their sexuality, you just accept it, and the writing style of Benjamin just makes you to accept it. In our country, our people just, our perspective towards bisexual people is just like we look at them like untouchables. This perspective has to be changed, and this book definitely changes our perspective, and I want Indian authors to write more on this LGBTQ fiction. It will really change the mindsets of our country people, and I would love to see Indian authors writing on this. That will be very great. This book will remain a great attempt toward changing people's perspective on bisexual people, because it's not at all wrong to be a bisexual, and accepting it doesn't mean you are also bisexual, because usually people talk like that, and who are immature think like that. So be mature and think mature, and if someone is other than a boy and girl, it's okay and it's beautiful in the way they are, and one must accept it because it's the truth at the end of the day. I also want this book to be adapted into a film, and that will be very grateful. Please someone make a film adaptation of this book. It will be really great, and it will also change the people's perspective. So if you start with this book, you'll definitely end up with a great feeling, and you will end up very happily with a beautiful feeling in your heart. So this was my take on this beautiful book. If you haven't read it, go and pick up and you'll thank me later. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked what you watched so far, consider liking this video and subscribe to my channel. That will mean a lot to me. If you got anything to say, let me know in the comment section and share this video with your friends. Bye bye, and I will see you in the next video.